Hey, you everybody out there, I am back. I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having a good day. I notice I'm missing something from this haul and I can't figure out where I put it. So we're just gonna keep going because, boy, we got the hot sweats right now. If anybody's been following me, I have to I have like a heart monitor on right now, and it's like I have to keep this thing on me all the time and monitoring me. So yeah, my health is wacky right now. So thanks for hanging in there through the thick and thin and all this stuff. I know you keep hearing me talk about my health, and I apologize. I don't know what's going on, but we'll figure it out one day. All right, so this today is going to be a video of a couple hauls from Chelsea's Beads. They're one of my new favorite stores. Right here we have like a closeout lot of some beautiful bone and bronze with some turquoise inlaid beads. They have that really just that subtle hint of an ohm symbol on it. They're very gorgeous. These are not resin. These are very heavy. These are beautiful, beautiful beads. I don't remember how much I paid for them. It was a seal, and that's why I bought them. Okay, I'm sweating like crazy. Oh my gosh. All right, coming up next after oh boy, listen to these beads. Oh my gosh, listen to the ASMR of that. Oh wow. Beautiful. Okay, so these were sold as is. You can see here there is like a break on that trunk. There's another break on this trunk. But it actually doesn't really deter from the bead. I mean, this one kind of does, but you could do something with it. There's something that could be done with it. But so let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You get 11 good beads. These are beautiful carved matte kind of. I think they might be a jade. I don't know. They got that really high pitched sound of, I can't remember which jade it is because my brain is fried. All right, so we got some little beads here. We got some stars and hearts. So we got some Dalmatian jasper hearts, some yellow jasper stars, and some obsidian, I think, or onyx black hearts. I mean stars, sorry. I need to remember my shapes. Aren't they beautiful? Okay, where do I put my stuff? What did I just do with this stuff? I don't even know what I'm doing. All right, and then we got just a random dyed agate. I love this color. Looks great with the sari silk I just got in. Oh, wow. I haven't been able to go through that yet. It's really beautiful. It also looks beautiful with this. Okay, then I got some, these were also kind of like sold as is. I just wanted to check them out, see what these matte quartz tube beads were like. I was thinking of doing like an Egyptian collar necklace, like as my next challenge to do a statement piece. And these are ocean jasper, and these are just gorgeous. Aren't they? Ocean jasper is one of the most beautiful. And I think in here there might be like some carnelian mixed in, but that's great. These are all really, look at that little bead there. All that personality in there. All those colors. Chelsea's Beads, y'all. Love Chelsea Beads. Yep. Oh, okay, so these, oh yeah, these are shell and resin, so they're kind of lightweight. They've got a lot of presence. Wow, those are beautiful. Gosh, I know I bought 2 things of chain, and I don't know where the other chain is because it was a really cool chain. I keep saying chain. All right, we're gonna throw in these chain real quick because I don't know where the other bag is. I have no idea where it's at. Okay, so we got one chain. Oh, well, both chain are in here. Okay, cool. So I got this big chunky chain and we got this little fun chain. I don't often use a lot of chain lately, but I want to get back into it. I thought this one would be adorable as a bracelet and a bracelet chain with a multi-strand. I think it's super cute. Beautiful antique brass. It's just old and antique naturally. All right, so, okay, one more grab bag of closeouts. I got some little evil eye style lampwork glass beads. The orange eyes are cubes, which I thought were super cute. And I love these little guys, little turquoise. Thought these might be fun to make some kits with. They're so cute and punchy and bright and vibrant. I love it. So I got like a closeout bag of them. All right, and let's see. These are all different adventuring. Let's see, how does this go? This is like a lighter. Can you see how? So man, this is like my favorite new shape lately. I am just down for this shape. Anytime they're like, we got these shapes in, I'm like, yep, bye. Gotta get them. I just think they're so gorgeous. Okay, wait a minute, I gotta do that thing again. Okay, we're gonna go in here and then see if we can get it to do it. There we go. Get a nice shot of these stones up close. And then, where's my light? Yeah, there we go. Oh, not that. All right. And see the translucency in the stones? Aren't they beautiful? Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. Oh man. Okay, I'm having too much fun with these beads. Love these beads. Love them. And then over the course of 2 orders, I went ahead and got 2 of these quartz strands because they're just gorgeous. A beautiful clear quartz. So yeah, you can see these guys are pretty big. These things are, where's my, there it goes, 0. So they're 15 millimeters around. And let's see, we got some of your classic kind of olivey jade, like a new jade or a serpentine. This one, I see a crack in this one, but that's fine. And look at these big mamas, these feldspar jaspers, these graphic feldspar jaspers. Oh my gosh, how big are these? 18. Oh my gosh, these are just gorgeous. Aren't they just delicious? And look how they look with coconut chips. Look how they look with coconut chips. You could just get like a total like earthy brown vibe. And then 2 more strands left. So this is like a really typical jasper. My brain can't remember right now. It's like, I can't remember the name of this jasper. If I can remember this name of this jasper, I'll put it up here, or you can comment below and you can be like, Rebecca, you nut? You gotta work on your cognitive skills. You gotta get better with that. That's beautiful. And then the last one is another jasper that I can't remember. Some kind of brecciated jasper or something. It's got that conglomeration going on in there. Aren't those gorgeous? I just like, I can't get enough of these. Look at these guys. Aren't they gorgeous? Anyways, thanks for staying with me for the video. This one I've actually got done. I can't believe it. I'm cranking them out. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for sticking with me, because like this phone, this heart monitor is like stressful. Anyways, my husband's like, "You're pushing the button again?" Yeah, I am pushing the button again. I'm having another issue. It's like, stop it. Anyways, look at that. Isn't that cool? Love these beads. Love you guys. I hope you're doing good. Let me know how you're doing down in the comments below. Like, subscribe, comment, share if you like the beauty content. Hoping to expand on it, you know, based on my health. I will have to take some time off coming in the future to go to a clinic. That's not in my town, so I'll have to figure something out that. So yeah, maybe they'll have a bead store in that town. You got to look on the bright side, right? Right? Thank you for your support. It really means a lot to me. Join my Facebook group, Dianna Adorned Beads. I'll put the name here and the link in the description. Yeah. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Take care of yourselves. Love your animals, love your family, love your beads, love your food, love your life. Enjoy looking at these beads. Whoa, we're zooming in. We're bead extremity.